So this 15 minutes time frame on gold XAUUSD. So I'll be looking at on these two zones. I have two zones already that I mark out. I'm looking at for a pullback towards this zone and then pick up a buy. I have a zone here. This is my first zone. Okay, there's a fair value gap and there's a pattern block here. So if price come into this zone, I will look for confirmation on the smaller time frame. Hello there guys and welcome back to UGOSFX. In this video, I will documenting my trading journey on 15k funded account that I purchased on gold funded trader. Through the profit I made on my 5k account. I purchased 5k account on gold funded trader, make withdrawal and use the proceeds to purchase 15k funded account. The idea is to grow from a small funded account to a big funded account. So I have done with 5k funded account. We are now on 15k funded account. And I'll be documenting my journey on this YouTube channel. So if you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you're updated whenever I drop a new video. I'll be trading only one pair on this account. That pair is gold, XAUUSD. So let's go to the chart and look out for trading opportunity. If I see any trading opportunity, I will pick up and buy. So currently we are on a gold trade currently now. So let's go to the chart. Let me show you guys. Let's go to the origin. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, this is 15 minutes time frame on gold, and I have pending order. So let me zoom in so that you guys will see clearly what I'm doing. Okay, very clear now, right? You can see it. I have pending order here at this zone. I have pending order here at this zone. Okay. Price has come and tapping immediately. Immediately price tapping to this zone, price starts moving away from this zone. Okay. So the idea is this. There is a break of structure here. Let me show you guys. What makes me to take this trade is this. There is a break of structure here. You can see there is a break of structure here. And when price broke that structure, there was a gap that was created. You can see it here. Look at this zone. There is a fair value gap here. This fair value gap and this other block. That is what motivated me to take this trade, believing that once price comes to this zone, price will push up. Okay, that's how I put this pending order here. And immediately price come here, price push up. Price is pushing up right now. So let's go to 1 minute time frame and look at it. Let's have a look on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is 1 minute time frame. This is 1 minute time frame. You can see the price, there was no hesitation, there was no drawdown. Price just came in, tap into the zone and start flying away. I'm expecting that when price comes to this zone, there will be a pullback. Okay, if price pull back, I may do what? I may pick up another buy. But already I know that this is buying. So I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so we are back and currently I am in this trade now. Okay, I've entered the initial trade, and after the trade has went in my way, my direction for over 240 pips, the trade came back to my break even and hit me out. So the first entry was here at around this zone. Okay, my first entry was this candle. If you are seeing this black candle now, that was my first entry. This black candle. Okay, because I have a pending order here at this point. So the thing came and triggered me in and went over 240 pips. I broke even, only for the trade to come back and take me out. So after the trade has taken me out, I waited patiently. for price to play around this zone. So I went to a 1 minute time frame. All right. So initially price was coming down. So in this 1 minute time frame, if you can see it clearly, price was coming down in this format: lower low, lower high, lower low. Still inside this my zone, this 15-minute zone, higher high. So when this price changed direction here from bearish to bullish, I've entered another trade. Okay, when price was coming down, I have a pending order this zone, exactly this zone. This is where my pending order is lying, and price came, triggered me, went in and draw down, and nearly took me out because my stop loss was at below this zone. It nearly took me out, but it didn't take me out. And now the price is moving in my direction. So let me check how many pips you have gone. So from this zone to the current zone, we have moved currently 290. We have gone 299 pips from my entry, and my stop loss was about 100 pips stop loss. So let's we are still holding this trade. Let's see what this trade can give us. Hello there guys, and welcome back to another trading day. So this is gold, and we are on a 5 minutes time frame. We are looking for buys on this pair. Why are we looking for buy? Because gold has been bullish all this while, and currently you can see that gold has broke this structure here, and price is coming back for a retest. So I have a pending order here. So I believe that if price come here, it will activate this pending order and start pushing up. So this is my own ideology. This is what makes me to put this pending order here. So if price tap me in and my order get activated, I will let you guys know. So see you guys. All right guys, we are back at it again. So the price, it was very fast movement as far as came to this zone. It was as fast as light. Price came to this goal, and again, next is gap. Take my pending order, take my stop loss at the same time, under milliseconds. So that's why one thing in trading. Some days you lose, some days you win. Today we've lost, and we lost about 1.5 hour, close to 1.5 hour. Okay, putting our account in a bit drawdown. Let's call it a break even. So we'll go again. If we see another trading opportunity, we'll go again tomorrow. But for today, I am done for the day. Cheers. Hello there guys, and welcome back to another trading day. So today is Friday, and we've been trying to see if we can get any trading opportunity, but to no avail. So we couldn't see any trading opportunity. So we'll call it a day. So we'll continue trading again next week. By Monday next week, Tuesday next week, we'll start looking for another trading opportunity. So for this week, we took a total of 4 trades, and we have 2 winners and 2 losses. But we closed the week with $302, about 2%. Okay, initially this account was in a big drawdown, but with this 2% profit we make, we were able to bring the account to break even. So hopefully by next week we will see a better trading opportunity that will make us to be in a better profit. Hopefully we'll hit our target next week. So stick to this channel, because I'll be bringing you guys back to back. If you like this type of content, stick to this channel, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Family, let's grow this YouTube channel. Please, let's grow this YouTube channel. In time to come, you guys will come back to this YouTube channel and have reference point. Because remember, this is a series. We started with 5K, and this is 15K. Okay, my live withdrawal on my 5K account is this YouTube channel. I will link it to this video. So see you guys in my next episode, and make sure you subscribe and like. put on notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I drop a new content. Cheers.